So Johnny just brought me a hat from her channel. I love it. And Johnny, what are you doing?
Kite.
She's flying a
They
kite.
said go fly a kite, and I flew a kite. Which is better than jumping off a bridge? Go fly a kite, Mama
Go
said.
fly a kite, Mama said. That is awesomeness.
I like your
What?
drill thing.
Yeah, it came with it. You have a kite I can fly, Jana?
Yeah, you want to fly a kite?
I've only flown a kite one other time in my life, and that was like 5 years ago with my cousin.
Well,
Fly a kite?
no, I got a kite if you want to fly a kite.
Here comes Jana bringing me a kite to fly. She's telling me, go fly a kite. Go fly a kite. This is so cool. Oh, it's a butterfly. It's a monarch.
Oh, it's a
Oh,
butterfly.
that's beautiful.